Howdy, stranger. Today we're talking about a ginger, turmeric, and cherry tonic recipe that makes a great natural remedy for back pain. This soothing tonic combines ginger and turmeric to help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Tart Cherry Juice adds a delicious flavor and extra anti-inflammatory benefits. This tonic is a comforting way to ease back pain naturally. What you'll need is 1 cup of water, 1 black tea bag, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a 1/4 cup of tart cherry juice. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Boil the water. Heat 1 cup of water until it reaches a boil. Step 2. Prepare the mug. Place the black tea bag in a mug and sprinkle in the ground ginger and turmeric. Step 3. Add the water. Pour the boiling water into the mug. Step 4. Steep the tea. Cover the mug and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the flavors to blend. Step 5. Add cherry juice. Stir in the tart cherry juice. Remove the tea bag. Give it a final stir and enjoy your tonic warm. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.